Okay, so welcome back. Today I'm going to go over really quickly how you can add swing to your drums inside of FL Studio. So this is a really simple tool. It's just this knob over here, this swing knob. So I've got a nice little drum pattern playing now. I'll just play that through once. Pretty happy with that, but if I wanted to add swing, I'll just move it up to 100%, so you can slide it from 0 to 100. I'll move it up to 100 and you'll start to hear these hi-hats mainly shifting around, but all of the sounds will shift around a little bit, but just listen out for a bit of a difference. Now I'll fade between these, so I'll go from 0 and then fade to 100, and you should be able to hear a difference. So you can sort of hear that these sounds go out of sync just a little bit, they're slightly shifted. And you can of course adjust that, but what it does really is it adds a bit more of a human feel to all of your drums. This can be super useful when making perk loops or something in the background. Not too useful for a whole drum loop like this, but nice ambience in the background, or if you want to try and establish a nice groove, this can be a very useful tool. So it's just this knob over here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.